Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to book a hotel on Expedia. So let's get started. So first step is to go to Expedia website. So I'm just going to do that, and here you can see this website. Over here you can just click on hotels, and I'm going to open this website as well. Alright, so once you're on this website you can just click on stays, and here you can click on going to. So let's search for some destination. Alright, so this is our location, and let's book a date. So from 23 to 25 or 25 to 26. So I'm just going to do that, and here you can enter the number of travelers, and now you can even add another room. Here you can see you can again add some travels as well. So now just click on done, and then so here now just click on search. Alright, so over here you can see the various results of your hotels. You can just pick anyone that you like according to your budget, and reviews as well. So I'm just going to click over here. Here you can see the hotel's name, pictures, and the location as well. So now here you can just click on reserve 2 rooms, and here you can see the pricing as well. So now just click on reserve 2 rooms. Alright, so over here you can see you have to fill in the details now, and now just scroll down, and here you enter your payment info, and then you scroll down again, and after you have done all that, just click on complete booking, and your hotel will be booked. So that is how you can book hotel on Expedia. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.